Hello everyone, I'm David. Today I would like to talk about the energy shortage problem and how we can solve these problems. Right now, if you do an interview or you try to do a survey to the university or on the street, you will realize most people do realize we have energy shortage problems. And some of the people may think we don't need to worry about the problems until 50 years later. Some people maybe think about we don't need to worry about it until 100 years later. Fortunately, there's still a small group of people, they realize we do have a problem and we need to solve it. Especially some scientists and engineers and with some big companies. They spend tons of money trying to develop some new technologies which can help to solving the problems such as more fuel efficient cars, airplanes, and some new renewable energies. In my point of view, all these technologies can only reduce the problems, but they are never a fundamental solution to this problem. I would say the very fundamental solution to the problem is education systems, and we need to teach the young generation what the sustainability is and how can we achieve a sustainable societies. Let's talk about why the technology cannot really solve the problems. 40 years ago, the energy consumption worldwide is only 1/3 of what it is right now. And in the past 40 years, there are so many new technologies have been developed, such as the application of the computers, which makes the numerical air-fuel ratio control available in the cars, which save tons of fuels every day when people driving, and the composite material application in the airplanes, which save the weight of the airplane, and in terms of save the energy as well, and some new technologies in the generator side and in the nuclear reactors, and people apply more like wind turbine technology and the fuel and using the water results as the energy generation results. And all this technology doesn't really save the energy, but only increasing the energy usage in the past 40 years. It's an interesting phenomenon because it's just like when people go to the supermarket, when everything is on sale, they usually end up buying more food and spend more money. The reason is people think about, everything is cheaper, they should buy more, and they realize when they get out, they actually spend way more money than they saw. And that's exactly what happens to the energy shortage problem. That's why I would say the very fundamental solution is to teaching people how important the sustainability is and how we can achieve it. We need to let the young generation people know we must save on every point, such as like turn off the water when you don't need it and turn off the light when you don't need it. And never overconsume the energy when you think everything gets cheaper. In my point of view, the technology can help to reduce the problem, but the very fundamental way to solve the problem is the educations, teaching people know about sustainability and know the importance of it and how we can achieve it. And thank you very much.